Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Jennifer Flores, and welcome to our Capstone 2 project titled NextNDP, a client portal for Network Detective Pro reports. Throughout this video, I will be introducing our project, why we need this, and a quick summary of what we have worked on throughout the semester. Now, I was able to conduct this project with my partner, Marco Rodriguez, which we are both in the cybersecurity major. Now here we have just an agenda. Um, it does look lengthy, but don't worry because we will be going through it fairly quick. So it is yours to view. If you want, you can pause the video and you may read through it. Now for an introduction. Network Detective Pro is a network assessment tool developed by Rapid Fire Tools. Network Detective Pro can do network discovery, security assessment, creates documentations, sorry about that, compliance auditing, and has troubleshooting tools. NDP provides a lot of delicate and valuable information, and we want to create a way for other employees of the company to view the data NDP gathers in an organized manner and in a more simplified way for them to present to customers or clients that they may have to be sharing this data with. Now, in order to do that, we have come up with a solution where once the assessments are ready, they will be synced into our Nextcloud server, which is mynextcloudcs2.com. And these files will only be accessed by IT and whomever else they are permitting the access to. So they're able to create Nextcloud accounts for these clients, customers, or whoever else they want to allow them to access these files, or they are able to do it through a share link. We want to be able to set up in a way where you have different folders. As you can see here, you have different folders. And if you have an intern come in, let's say for a season, and they need some documents to work on and you don't want to give them the full access to the full folder, you are able to create just a folder for them or do a share link with them. And they're able to use documents, they are permitted, but we will look into that a little bit more throughout this presentation. The next step would be for the data to be cleaned, for it to be dispersed to whomever needs it. So there will be different folders accessible with the information, like I said previously, that the employer group is allowed to view, and only that employee or group is allowed to view. So everybody will have different information, different information with only the data that they need. They won't have access to the full NDP report, only the IT person or whomever they decide for them to have control of those assessments. Okay, so we will be using Tableau Prep in order to clean the data and create visualizations that are more simplified to use and understand, which will also be synced into the server, mynextcloudcs2.com. Now, utilizing the Network Detective Pro tool from Rapid Fire Tools, we've successfully conducted scans on our AWS instance to collect test data. To ensure the security of this information, we're syncing the scans to our Nextcloud server for sharing of assessments. Access to these files will be available to authorized individuals, including customers and employees with the appropriate credentials. Within these files, we've incorporated visualizations crafted using Tableau. The data undergoes cleansing through Tableau Prep, ensuring its accuracy and availability to specific departments that require access. Now, our goal is to provide an easy way for a company to access their scans. These scans contain a lot of information, and we will be using Tableau Prep to organize the information and create visualizations with Tableau for the user to understand in a more simplified way. Not everyone will have access to all these files since most data in scans are sensitive. So using Tableau will be able to clean the data and distribute it to its designated users. Now, I just want to say thank you, and please make sure to view our next videos, which will be going more into depth of our project and how we are getting it done. Thank you for your time.